Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Watch me transform my model from this to this and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the first to see my new videos and keep watching this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I am Folashade Crown. So the first thing I went ahead and do on this my model face was to cleanse her face to take off the excess oil of her skin. So for me, I'm using this Adventure Micellar water to cleanse all the oil around her face off. So after that, I went ahead and moisturized her skin by applying the Mesmetics face moisturizer on her face, most especially around the under eye area, the corner of her nose, her jawline, and her temple. So those areas needed to be properly moisturized in order for the rest of the makeup to sit well into our skin. So after moisturizing our skin, I went ahead and primed our skin, but I did not know my phone was not recording at that particular time. So next, I went ahead and sprayed the Kiss Beauty Mist spray all over our skin just to make the face to look very fresh. So after that, I went ahead and applied the Avour Foundation in shade 20 on our skin. So you can see how I'm applying the foundation on our skin with the small blending brush. So after that, I went ahead and used the beauty sponge. Is it beauty sponge? Yes, I'm using beauty sponge to blend the foundation into our skin properly. So after blending the foundation into our skin, I went ahead and highlighted on the eye area with this concealer, Adventure Concealer in shade Topaz at the corner of on the eye area because I really want to achieve that bright on the eye area. That is why I'm using the lighter color to our skin. It is in 2 shades lighter than the skin tone, which is Adventure in shade Topaz 4 for the inner corner of our under eye area, our temple, the bridge of our nose, our cupid bow, including the tips of our chin. So after that, I went ahead and applied this second color of the concealer in shade cinnamon around our under eye area and the rest part of our face. So after that, I went ahead and applied the creamy blush. I'm using the my lip palette color for the cream in place of the cream blush, so just to add more color to our look. So next after that, I went ahead and blend the whole of the concealer and the blush, creamy blush, all together into our under eye area and the side of our eye area. You can just see how I'm blending everything into our skin. So after being done with the blending of the concealed area, I went ahead and contour the cheekbone with this foundation that is shade, I think is a shade darker than a skin tone in shade 30 to contour our cheekbone, then the side of our nose as And after applying the contour color with the tiny brush, I went ahead and used my contour brush to blend in the contour color into our skin properly. You can just see how how I'm blending the contour color into our skin, because I really want our makeup to be on point, to really come out nice. That's why I'm blending it with this contour brush. You can also use your beauty sponge to do that as well. So guys, if you're coming across my video for the first time, thank you so much for staying tuned. I am Fola Shade Crown, the creative director of Fola Crown Beauty Empire. So on this channel, we upload different types of makeup tutorials, DIYs on how to tie gillies, skincare tutorials, hair care tutorials, and lifestyle vlogs. So guys, if they sound interesting, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So after that, I went ahead and used my beauty sponge again, just to blend in the concealed area properly, just to smooth it, because if you did not do that, you will notice there's gonna be a kind of creasing around that on the eye area. So it was when I was done with the tapping in of the concealer, and I went ahead and set that area up with the powder that is a shade lighter than our skin, just to set that place up. You can just see how I'm blending everything into each other. You can see why setting it up, I'm not baking yet. I'm just setting those concealed area up before any other thing. So after that, I went ahead and set the contour part also up with the powder that is a shade darker than our skin. So you can just see what I'm doing to the contour area. So after settling the contour area part, I went ahead and set the remaining part of our face up with the powder that is an exact skin tone. So next, after that, I went ahead and used this spoon setting powder to bake our under eye area and the rest of the highlighted area up. So after baking of our face, I went ahead and applied the eyeshadow base. Here I'm using the Avour eyeshadow base on the eyelid. So after applying the eyeshadow base, I went ahead and used my blending brush to blend in the eyeshadow base into our crease area. So next, after blending the shadow base into the crease area, I went ahead and start applying the brownish shade of shadow in this my shadow palette, Girl Gorgeous Me, so the outer corner of our eyelid to the inner corner of our lid area. Then after that, I went ahead and applied the shadow that is a lighter shade. This is lighter shade like peach color, peach/orange color to our eyelid, just to set the area up. You can just see how I'm applying the eyeshadow. I'm using the matte eyeshadow at the corner of our lid. So next, I proceeded to the second side of our eyelid and repeated the same thing I did at the first side to the other side of our lid also. So after applying the eyeshadow on the eyelid, I went ahead and contoured the outer corner of our eyelid with the shadow that is brownish. I think it's deep shade of brown, to contour the outer corner of our lid. Hey loves, if you managed to watch my video up to this part, thank you so much for staying tuned. I really appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoy my video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Turn on the post notification bell for more video updates. So guys, you can just see how I'm dragging the brownish shade of the shadow into the inner corner of our lid. So next, after that, I went ahead and applied this liquid liner. You can see I first wrote the slant one on the outer corner of our lid, then I started dragging it down in bit by bit because I don't want it to get smudged into the rest of the makeup. So guys, you can just see everything. So I would love you guys, if you are really enjoying my video, I would love you to comment on the comment section. Let me know if you are enjoying my video, and if there's any video you want me to upload, or if there's any tutorial you will prefer more from me. Just write it down on the comment section below. Okay guys, so I proceeded to the second side of our eyelid, and I did apply the liquid liner on our second side of our lid also. So the next thing I went ahead and do, I'm lining our waterline area with the Karite black gel liner. That's what I'm using to line our waterline area. So after that, I went ahead and apply a bit of this glitters shadow. I'm using the loose glitters on her lid just to highlight, just to bring out the color of her lid, to pop it out a bit. So that's why I went ahead and applied these glitters on her. So next, after that, I went ahead and placed these floss lashes on a lash line area. So guys, I went ahead and fixed our second false latches of the camera. So if you want to see how to fix false latches by yourself step by step, you can go on my previous video. I have the tutorial already on my previous video. Go and watch it. So after that, I went ahead and used this blending brush to tap in the baked area into our skin. I'm using the powder that is our skin tone just to blend in the big area into our skin. So guys, you can just see how everything is looking so smooth. If you are enjoying this my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up guys. Comment, I really want you guys to comment on my video. It is very important for you guys to comment so that we know that I'm communicating with my fans, okay, out there. So, and I want you to try this makeup. No man is an island. We are all learning every day. So guys, I would love you to try this tutorial on yourself, and let's see how far you've gone. So after that, I proceeded to the side of, the cheekbone area. Then I blended that part also. Make sure that there is no white patches, there is no baked powder, setting powder that you've used. There is no much of it on the skin. So make sure you blend everything properly into the skin, so the face will be able to look flawless. There won't be any contrast between our face and our neck as well. So you can see what I'm trying to do. I'm just taking my time just to blend everything into our skin. You can see how I'm extending the remaining part of the product that I've used, how I'm extending it to our neckline. So guys, you can just see she's feeling herself already. She's really feeling herself. So sincerely, she loved the makeup. So after that, I went ahead and used the bigger powder brush just to set the whole part of her face up. You can see the look is glamming already. Next, I'm going to be working on a lip. Here I'm using Jacklyn Lip Palette in shade Nude Pink on the inner part of her lip. So guys, you can see what I did. I first started with the inner part of her lip this time around unlike the usual method I've been using to apply the lip color on my tutorial. So I decided to change the method I've been using before to another method, so that you guys can know that you can use any techniques, any method to apply your lip pay as well. So after that, I proceeded by using the deeper shade of brown to line the outer line of our lip line area. So you can see how I'm working on it bit by bit, because I don't really want that nude color to be so much on the upper lip area. So that's why I decided to just go for the pink, the nude pink first on the inner part of our lip before start lining the outer line of our lip area. So after that, I proceeded to, after applying the upper part of our lip line area, I proceeded to the lower side of our lip line area, and I did the same thing that I did at the upper part on our lower part of the lip also. After that, I proceeded by using the big lip brush to blend in both the line between the lip color and the lip liner together in order to achieve a smooth lip application. After that, I proceeded by applying the blush on her cheekbone area to add color, because the essence of blush is to add color on one's look. So I applied the blush on her cheekbone area and also at the side of her temple. After that, I went ahead and applied the bronzer on her cheekbone area just to highlight that part. You can see what the effect of the bronzer is giving on her. Then next after that, I went ahead and highlight the tip of her nose. Then I proceeded to the brow bone area just to highlight and to give it that shiny effect finishing. So guys, you can just see the finishing of the look, so beautiful. So guys, you see my client beautiful before and meet her after. So guys, hope you enjoy my video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, share, comment. So we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.